I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone, hello universe, it's me again. Ayan, mayroon tayong upload videos, updates. Shoutout sa mga Filipinos, OFW, Marcos Loyalists and supporters. Hello guys, today is February 25, 2026. Ayan, para naman mayroon akong memories, ay hindi, remembrance, di ba? Ayan po si Manny Pacquiao, kasama po ang ating mahal na Pangulong Marcos Jr. na kung saan guys, yung dalawang yung dalawang short niya na ginamit nyo nung siya po ay lumaban sa kasaysayan ng mundo. Isa sa pinakamagaling na boksingero guys ay nilagay niya sa museum pati yung isang pinakamahalagang belt na kanyang napanalunan, no? Nasa museum ngayon. Ito nauna to. Ayan, no? Wow. Grabe, no? Ayan, no? The World Champion, WBC. Yan po ay makikita nyo sa museum ng Philippine Sport Museum ba? Or Philippines, yung museum natin. Ayan. Palagay ko sa Philippine Sports. Ang ganda nga actually maganda yung mensahe ng Pangulo. Ayan, no? Nandoon na ngayon yan. Handover ceremony Manny Pacquiao. Memorabilias. Wow. Kasaysayan. Maalaala natin ang isang Manny Pacquiao, mga kababayan. Ayan, o. Wow. Ito, basahin ko Sabi dito ng PCO, simbolo ng sipag, disiplina, pananampalataya at tagumpay na patuloy na nagbibigay inspirasyon sa bawat Pilipino. Yan ang nag-iisang Manny Pacquiao. Isang mahalagang bahagi ng kasaysayan ng inspirasyon at ligasiya para sa mga Pilipino ang sinisimbolo ng mga memorabilia. Ano ba yan? Nabubulol ako. Sabi dito guys, simbolo sa sipag, disiplina, pananampalataya at tagumpay na patuloy na nagbibigay inspirasyon sa bawat Pilipino. Isang mahalagang bahagi ng kasaysayan, inspirasyon at ligasiya para sa mga Pilipino ang simbolo ng mga memorabilia ni Manny Pacquiao na formal na itinurnover sa Philippine Sport Museum. Yun, sa Philippine Sport Museum pala. Nandoon. Wow. Kasaysayan po yan. Never forget in our life. Next naman, mayroon tayong people champ na nag-iisang Manny Pacquiao. Nako, talaga naman nakakabagbag damdamin talaga. Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang pagtanggap ng mga sagisag ng tagumpay mula sa people champ, kabilang ang competition shorts na ginamit sa kanyang makasaysayang laban at sa isang WBC World Champion Belt na kumakatawan sa kanyang pambihirang karera at sa pangmatagalang ambag niya sa dangal at pagkakakilanlan ng bansa. Yes! Ibig sabihin, pag pumunta ka sa ibang bansa, tapos tanungin mo yung mga tao, like, for example, yung mga foreigners, tatanungin mo sa kanila, hey, can I ask you some question? Naks naman. Yes. So, did you know Manny Pacquiao? Naks naman. Siyempre, of course. Siyempre, sagutin nila, of course. I know him. He is the best. Diba? He is legendary boxing people champ in the world. Sabay ganun guys Sa paglalagak ng mga ito sa museo, lalo na pang pinagtitibay ang kanyang impluwensya sa kabataang Pilipino at sa mga susunod na henerasyon ng atleta. Bilang paalala na ang pagsisikap at determinasyon ay kayang maghatid ng tagumpay hindi lamang para sa sariling kundi para sa buong sambayanan. Not only the Philippines guys, but all over the world. Inspirasyon po siya. Sa totoo lang, ito yung lagi natin sinasabi. Sasabi ng iba, ang hirap ng buhay. Yes, mahirap ang buhay. Pero hindi hadlang po yan. Ang kahirapan, kung gusto mo umasinso sa buhay, gayahin mo si Manny Pacquiao. Totoo yun. Ang kwento niyan, siguro naman, alam na alam nyo. Ang hirap ng kanyang pinagdaanan. At lumaki siya sa kahirapan. But because of his dream, na gusto niyang gumanda ang kanyang buhay, lahat mga kapatid niya kaya nakapagtapos, 'di ba? Even siya, 'di ba? Kumbaga inangat niya, binigyan niya lahat ng magandang buhay ang mga kapatid niya. Hindi lang siya, tsaka tumutulong siya sa tao. Seriously guys, ang puso niya doon pa din, very humble at maka-Diyos ito. Yan ang igawin yung example si Manny Pacquiao. Hindi po hadlang ang kahirapan. Kasi ang kahirapan, yes, diyan mo makikita kung gaano ka kagaling. Kung gaano ka lakas yung fighting spirit mo. Paano mo abutin yung goals mo, gayahin mo si Manny Pacquiao. You see, pawis, dugo, pagod, injured, lahat. Sinalo niya lahat yan. Para lang guminahawa ang kanyang buhay. Kasi makita mo sa mga anak niya, very professional. 'Di ba? Nag-aaral sa mga magagarang school sa London pa. So, wow. Wow na wow. Yan, saludo tayo sa kanya, mga kababayan. The only one. The people's champ ng Pilipinas, Manny Pacquiao, Pacman. Agay. Congratulations sa imuha dong ay. Gagwapo kayo ng imong belt ba? Congratulations. Yes, guys. So, yun. Once again, thank you, Manny Pacquiao, sa karangalan na pinagkaloob mo sa bansang Pilipinas at sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Siyempre, pag pag naglaban yan, tigil ang pasada tsaka tigil ang mga krimen. Hinto lahat. Nakatutok sa telebisyon. Siyang inaabangan. Even me. So, yun guys, maraming salamat sa inyong watching. Para kumpleto detalyado, panoorin nyo ito, ang napaka magandang speech ng ating mahal na Pangulo. Eto na.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., Sir, First Lady, Madam Liza A. Marcos, ma'am, welcome back. Former Senator Emmanuel Manny Pacquiao, Commissioner Olivia Bongco, Commissioner Walter Torres, Matthew Gaston, Michael Barredo, Goody Custodio, Marcos Manalo of ABAP, and PFF President John Gutierrez, men and women of the Philippine Sports Commission and our national athletes. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa muling pagbisita sa PhilSports. We're taking care of this beautiful facility, Ma'am First Lady. We promised you that, and every day we clean it properly. And as a matter of fact, ma'am, we have now a 5-star chef here. Si Billy King is now taking care of our athletes. Billy King of Les Oflés is now taking care of the food for the athletes, ma'am. And he's here. Billy King is around. Please call Billy. Where's Chef Billy? First Lady wants to... He's just around now. Okay. So why did every Manny Pacquiao fight mesmerize the nation? The people's champ is proof that anyone from humble beginnings can rise to greatness. The legend of Manny Pacquiao put the Philippines on the world map. He made the world look at us with awe and respect. This is our narrative as a nation. A story of grit, sacrifice, and courage. Violent but truthful, and triumphant. Beyond titles, Manny Pacquiao has laid his life in service of sports, establishing a regional basketball league, MPBL, the WMPBL, and even the Pacquiao Elorde Awards. When the President recognizes and memorializes an athlete, he places sports at the center of nation building. This appeals to the heart and the ability of athletes across the nation. We commit Manny Pacquiao's legacy to national memory to inspire and ignite future champions. Finally, Senator Manny, my friend, sir, my idol, your sweat, your tears, your blood, your life, we can never thank you enough. Mabuhay po kayo at maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Chairman Gregorio. Before these artifacts find their home, let us relive the moments that inspired the nation. Please direct your attention to the screen for a short video. on former Senator Emmanuel Manny Pacquiao for the handover speech.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank God for this blessings and favor that He has given to us, especially the good health. His Excellency Ferdinand Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, our esteemed First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos, Ma'am, good afternoon. Honorable Patrick Pato Gregorio, Chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, thank you. Distinguished officials of government, leaders in sports and youth development, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, good day. It is with profound respect and deep gratitude that I stand before you today for this solemn and meaningful ceremony marking the handover of memorabilia that symbolize not only milestones in my personal journey, but more importantly, the enduring spirit and collective pride of the Filipino people. Allow me to extend my sincerest appreciation to His Excellency President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. for gracing this occasion with his presence. Mr. President, your steadfast commitment to national unity and development continues to inspire hope and confidence among our people. Your support for sports as a vehicle for nation building affirms our shared belief that excellence and discipline are powerful instruments for shaping a stronger Philippines.
Tama.
To our gracious First Lady, Ma'am Lisa Araneta Marcos, thank you for honoring us with your presence. Your dedication to cultural preservation and social development reflects a deep commitment to uplifting the Filipino spirit and nurturing the values that define us as a nation. I likewise extend my heartfelt gratitude to Chairman Patrick Pato Gregorio and the Philippine Sports Commission for your tireless efforts in advancing Philippine sports and empowering our athletes. Your leadership ensures that the legacy we celebrate today will continue to inspire generations to pursue excellence with integrity and honor. Today's ceremony transcends the simple transfer of treasured items. This memorabilia represents stories of perseverance, sacrifice, faith, and unwavering determination. They stand as enduring reminders that every triumph achieved was made possible through the collective prayers, support, and unity of the Filipino people. Each piece carries with it the spirit of a nation that believes in courage, resilience, and the power of dreams. They are not merely symbols of victories inside the ring, but reflections of the Filipino character, strong in adversity, humble in success, and steadfast in faith. It is my earnest hope that this memorabilia will serve as a source of inspiration for our youth and future generations. May they remind every Filipino that greatness is not measured solely by achievements, but by the strength of one's character, the depth of one's faith, and the willingness to serve others with humility and compassion. As I continue my boxing career and as a public servant, I remain committed to advancing opportunities that empower our people, particularly our youth, to realize their full potential. Together, let us continue to cultivate a culture of excellence, discipline, and patriotism that will guide our nation toward a brighter and more prosperous future. May this occasion reaffirm our shared commitment to preserving the legacy of Filipino excellence and passing on the values of perseverance, honor, and service to the generations that will follow. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong patuloy na suporta at pagkilala sa ating bayan. Mabuhay po tayong mga Pilipino, mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, former Senator Pacquiao. We now witness the official ceremonial turnover of select memorabilia as these historic treasures are entrusted to the Philippine Sports Museum. This act reflects our shared commitment to preserve Filipino excellence and honor our champions, ensuring that their legacy will bring inspiration to future generations. May we respectfully invite His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and former Senator Emmanuel D. Pacquiao to proceed to the ceremonial area. We begin with a trunk worn by Manny Pacquiao during his fight against Miguel Cotto for the WBO Welterweight Championship on November 14, 2009 at
Wow.
the MGM Grand Garden Arena. With this victory, Pacquiao captured his 7th world title in 7 different weight class, becoming the WBO Welterweight Champion and further cementing his place in boxing history.
Galing.
Next is a historic fight trunk worn by Manny Pacquiao during his victory over Antonio Margarito on November 13, 2010 at the Dallas Cowboys Stadium in Texas. This landmark win made him the only boxer in history to claim world titles in 8 different weight divisions.
Wow.
This trunk symbolizes courage, skill, and national pride. We now present the World Boxing Council Championship belt. This belt is more than a title. It is a symbol of courage, determination, and an enduring legacy. As boxing's only 8-division world champion, Manny Pacquiao redefined what is possible.
Wow. Galing. Salamat, Pacman.
The artifacts we witness today are more than historic sports items. They are symbols of national pride and Filipino excellence on the global stage.
Yes. Filipino pride yan
At this
natin.
point, may we request the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., to deliver his message.
Muna, siyempre, ang idol natin lahat, ang kampiyon. Our champion, hindi lamang sa boxing, kung hindi sa lahat ng kanyang katangian bilang isang Pilipino, ang ating minamahal na champion, pama si Senator Manny Pacquiao. And of course, the officials and members of the PSC, led by Pato Gregoro, officials and members of the Paralympic Committee, led by my former classmate Mike Maredo, lahat ng ating national athlete, of course the First Lady, Lisa, who has played a large part in putting all of this together. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. What can I say about Manny Pacquiao and his boxing career that hasn't been said before? Because all the superlatives that can possibly be used, all the praise that can possibly be had by an athlete have already been heaped upon him and well deserved. And today we are given the opportunity to be in his reflected glory. Dahil alam naman natin that there is no other boxer na nalampasan mo pa pati si Muhammad Ali. There is no other boxer, there is no other athlete for that matter, who gained the plaudits all around the world. And of course, in the Philippines. Saan ka naman nakakita ng atletang Pilipino na pagka may laban, yung nangyayari, pagka may laban, yung putukan sa Mindanao, nagsisisfire muna para manood sila kay Manny Pacquiao. Where did you ever hear of such a thing? Naalala ko, yung build-up sa Hatton fight, nasa London kami. Marami akong kaibigan na English. Sabi nila, how is Manny? Ganun, idol na idol ka. Sabi nila, hirap na hirap sila. Kasi mahal na mahal ka, hindi nila alam kung kanino sila kakampi. Dahil si Hatton galing doon sa kanila, pero ikaw yung idol nila. Nung pauwi naman kami, nasa Hong Kong kami nung aksyon na laban. So naghanap kami ng lugar kung saan kami makapanood. Nakahanap kami ng sports bar. Alam mo, remember Lisa, we went, nakahanap kami ng sports bar. Punta kami sa sports bar, manunood kami. Eto na, yung mga undercard, yan, naglalaban. Yan. Pumasok, may mga pumasok ng mga English. Tapos, nandun sa likod namin. Ayan na. Sabi ko, kami nag-aalala kami. Sabi ko, alam mo, inaalala ko, dahil alam namin, si Haton lakas sumuntok dun eh. Sabi ko, baka masaktan si Manny. Baka, delikado yan, dahil ang lakas nga sumuntok. Yun ang pama niya, malakas ang sumuntok. Ayan na, nag-umpisa yung fight. Palabas pa lang kayo, palabas pa lang. Nagsisigawan na yung mga English na gano'n. Pag nung bell, pang sisigaw yung mga English. Bigla na lang, may narinig ako, yung mga Pinay, hey, shut up! Just shut up! Kasi haton sila ng haton. Yung pala mga asawa nila, mga Pinay, na talagang hinahawi nila. No, Manny Pacquiao, no, Manny Pacquiao. Yun na, sabi ko talaga, ibang klase. Totoo yun, that's a true story. Nagulat ako kasi sabi ko bigla na lang, at saka talagang sinasaktan nila. Oh, shut up, ganun. Sabi ko, bakit? Hindi, asawa namin yan. Pero hindi sila pwede mag-cheer para kay Haton. Kailangan si Manny Pacquiao. Yun ang naging experience ng lahat. At maaga pa yun. Wala si... Sabi ko, pagkatapos ng laban, sabi ko, mali naman ako na inaalala ko si Manny, baka masaktan. Second round pa lang, tulog na si Haton. Yes. Kaya naman, makita mo, tapos tuloy-tuloy, lahat ng laban mo, na pinakita mo talaga na ang galing-galing mo. At saka, there was a time, alala ko, ano bang laban yun? Kakapanalo lang ng Celtics ng NBA na finals. Pinakita nila, merong coverage, andun si Manny. Tapos nanalo na naman. Pumasok yung kapitan ng Celtics. Sabi mo, hey, you're my idol. No, you're my idol. Sabi niya sa'yo. Ganun kakilala. That is Manny Pacquiao. And that is the way he was known all over the world. And we can say that sa buong kasaysayan ng Pilipinas,
History yan eh.
there was never a time when we were more proud to be Filipino than when Manny was winning all those fights but hindi lang kasi napakagaling niya. Never niya kinalimutan ang pagka-Pinoy niya.
Tama.
Lagi niyang, biruin mo, pumunta kami sa birthday niya, pinakanta siya. Ang kinanta niya, pasigaw-sigaw pa, Pinoy ako.
Siyempre
Yun,
guys.
para sa akin, ang talagang pinakamalaking bagay. Gaya ng sabi ng salita, these are the souvenirs or the memorabilia from my journey. And but more importantly is the Filipino people. And he has never forgotten that. And that was always a source of admiration. Dahil maraming Pilipinong sumikat sa iba't ibang, hindi lang sa boxing, pero sa iba't iba. Kung minsan parang hindi na Pinoy yung kausap ko eh. Parang nakalimutan nila ang pagka-Pinoy nila, nakalimutan na doon sila lumaki, nakalimutan nila doon sila sumikat. At ngunit si Manny, never mo mararamdaman yan. And you cannot find a more humble, a more devoted and God-fearing person than Manny Pacquiao.
Tama.
And no matter gaano kasikat siya, gaano kakilala, nag-survey, nung one of your last fights, nag-survey sila na the most famous person in the world was Manny Pacquiao.
Correct.
Kilala ka kahit saan sa buong mundo. And that for me, sabi na, Pinoy yan. Huwag yung kakalimutan. Pilipino yan. At lagi namin hindi natin makakalimutan yon. The time that we felt the glory of being Filipino. Hindi lang kami proud. Naging mayabang talaga kami. May Manny Pacquiao. Kayo ba? May Manny Pacquiao kayo? Wala, kami may Manny Pacquiao kayo. Ganun ang pakiramdam. Yan ang dinala mo sa amin lahat.
Tama yun.
Dinala mo sa Pilipino, sa bawat isang Pilipino, both those living here in the Philippines and those abroad. At ginawa mong fans ang buong mundo.
Correct.
Naging supporter mo, naging fan mo dahil napakagaling mo. But there is a side also to Manny that maybe most people do not know about. I remember when we went for the dinner during the awards sa Ilorde at pinuntahan namin. At lumabas, lahat ng mga boksingero na wala na silang hanap buhay. At yung iba tinamaan na nagkasakit, na nagkaramdaman. Lahat yung tinulungan ni Manny. Hindi niya sinasabi kahit na kanino. Kung hindi nila in-announce doon sa programa na yun, nobody would know about it. Kasi yan ang ganyan ng ugali, ganyang pagkatao ng ating Manny Pacquiao. So hindi lang siya champion sa boxing. He is a champion of humanity. He is a champion as a Filipino. He is a champion as a man. And he is a champion in all our hearts. And he will always be our champion. He will always be our Filipino champion. Manny,
Yeah.
maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you, Mr. President.
O, di ba guys? Nakaka-overwhelm, nakaka-proud. Siyempre, mayroon tayong isang Manny Pacman na pinagmamalaki mo talaga sa buong mundo. At saka makadyos ito talaga at matulungin. Deserve niya lahat yan. O, see? So, I think guys, yan? Ilalagay
May
sa
we request everyone to please remain in your respective seats until the President has left the venue. Thank you and good day.
I think ilalagay sa museum, Wow. History to, guys. Ang isang Manny Pacquiao. History po yan. Ang alamat ni Manny Pacquiao. Wow. Biro nyo yan. O, ilalagay sa museum. Yung belt niya, nako, napaka-importanting bagay yun, mga kababayan. O, yung mga shorts niya, wow. Hindi natin makakalimutan. May laban pa kaya yan? Hindi pa naman siya guys, Hindi pa naman siya nag-declare na yung kanyang, tawag dito, hindi naman siya nag-declare na magre-retiro ng tuluyan. Oo, yan pa nga yung mga iba, Nakakaano din, Nakaka-miss yung mga laban niya. Talaga namang simply the best. Tsaka napaka-humble na tao. Yan, kung gusto nyong makita si Manny Pacquiao, doon. Punta kayo sa museum. Philippine Sports ba yan? Museum? Wow. Galing. Yo. Halos nasubaybayan ko po yung kanyang laban. Mula umpisa hanggang itong nakaraang taon nasubaybayan ko. Siyempre, ako bilang isang Pilipino, kababayan ko po yan, guys. From General Santos City. Siyempre, proud ako doon sa lugar namin. Alam nyo ba na galing sa amin din ang pinakamagagaling na boksingero? Oh, totoo yan. Sino ba yung isa na ngayon laging nakikita sa sa landing phase ng General Santos City? Si Rolando Navarrete. Ay, isa sa pinakamagaling na boksingero. Si Navarrete. Ngayon, buhay pa Magaling yun. Kaso lang wala. Naghirap nang dahil sa babae. 'Di ba yung kaso niya before? Mula nung nangyari sa Hawaii. Dahil sa, I think, na-frame up siya. Parang tulad ni Mike Tyson, na-frame up siya ng girl. Nawala lahat ng kanyang career. Pa kaya na, magiging isang Pacquiao? Palagay ko wala. Who knows? Baka mayroon pa. Hindi natin alam, guys. So, yun mga kababayan. Salamat, Manny Pacquiao, sa karangalan na pinagkaloob mo sa bansang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ka. At mananatili ka sa puso ng mamayang Pilipino, ang nag-iisang Manny Pacquiao, the people's champ from the Philippines. Thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next upload. Bye, nababus. God bless Philippines. Follow and likes, guys. Bye everyone. There's more.